Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete your chat history in Claude AI. It's a simple process that helps keep your account organized and protects your privacy. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Claude dashboard, click on the chat icon on the right side of the screen to view your conversation history. Now, find the chat that you want to delete. Next to that chat, click on the three-dot menu. A menu will appear. From the available options, click Delete. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the selected chat will be permanently removed from your chat history. You can repeat the same steps anytime you want to delete another conversation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete chat history in Claude AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.